Testimony is now underway in a lawsuit against McDonald's franchise after a girl got burned because her McNuggets were too hot. The jury has already found the restaurant is liable. Now wait until you hear how much they want in damages. Local 10's Laren Livingston is live with what came out in court today. Laren.
Yes, and attorneys on both sides, they're wrapping things up. They actually just left the courtroom. They were trying to finalize the language for tomorrow's jury instructions. They're expecting this case to go to deliberations as soon as tomorrow. In the meantime, like you said there, right now, this jury has to decide the damages that this family will get after this company was found liable for McNuggets burning this child who was 4 years old at the time on her upper thigh.
I'm her voice, and I know when my baby is hurt. And if I can't take that pain away, then I did something wrong.
Felena Holmes was the first to take the stand, her lawyer taking her through photo after photo that she took of her daughter's burn caused by a hot chicken McNugget.
She still picks at it. She still picks at it now. For her, it's a constant reminder. So for us, it's a constant reminder as well.
Holmes pulled into a Tamarack McDonald's drive-thru back in August 2019. She handed off those now infamous McNuggets to her then 4-year-old autistic daughter, Olivia, sitting in the back seat.
I had to get out of the car. I had to see what was going on. I saw the nuggets that I had knocked out of her lap, but she was still screaming.
Mom and her lawyers are asking for $15 million in damages. They say that's fair and reasonable considering the permanent scar left behind. The attorneys for McDonald's and the franchise say that number is way too high. The wound has healed. By Mom's own admission, her child still enjoys chicken McNuggets from a different McDonald's, and this injury, they say, was not disabling.
In the past 4 years, she hasn't received any treatment for either the wound or the scar other than the silicone gel and the ointment, correct?
Not at this time, because it's too much for her. It's too much.
So the answer to my question
It would be no.
And one of the last people to take the stand this afternoon was one of the defense team's experts, and he even testified that even with improvement, be it surgical or laser treatment, there will always be a scar on this child's leg, ultimately as they grow up into adulthood. Again, this jury is expected to get this case tomorrow afternoon. We'll let you know what happens when they finally come to a conclusion. In Fort Lauderdale, Laren Livingston, Local 10 News.